Hi, my name is Noah Latwe and welcome to 5 Minutes of Design and Code. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how to create a logo for free. Without actually consulting anybody, you can get a logo for yourself and it won't even take you more than 5 minutes. In fact, this is the end result. So let's dive into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go to logomaker.dehoot.com, then / the pound sign. So the link is embedded on the description. You actually need internet to do this process. So the first thing you want to do is to create a new file to ask you whether you want to remove the current drawing. You say yes. So once you have your blank new page, you want to add your first symbol. The symbol can be anything. There are various symbols that you can pick from. So depending on your category of industry, you can play around, but we'll be designing for, just like a sample, we'll be designing for a fashion brand. Like I said, it could be anything. So let's look for our icon. Yes, this is the lady we're looking for. So you can, drag it all around. If you want to change any of the color, just click on the segment of the color you want to change. And if you want to hide any of the segments, you can just hide and view again. So once you have the icon, the next thing you want to do is your test. So our test is optimal wears. Then I want to duplicate this so that I can type the wears separately. So you see, normally I click outside the element so that I can reselect. So the first thing I want to do is to change the font of the wears. We have free fonts here that you can pick from. So I am looking for a font called Ground Hotel, which is this. So always increase your element from the angle, not from the side. Let's increase one more time. So now we have our wears. You see, I can't select the optimal because it is at the bottom. So let's send this wear to the backward. Let's send it backward so that we can select our optimal. Then I want to have the optimal just on top of this. The next is we want to change the color of our font to this bag, the color on the bag. So if I click, so it's really hard to guess the bag's color. So the best thing to do is to click the bag and copy the hexadecimal value for the bag color, then click the font and just paste the value. So automatically you have the same color variation in both elements. So now we have our logo beautifully done. The next thing you want to do is to export. So you can come to save. By saving, you will need to insert your email, because I've done this before. So it's suggesting my email, so I can just click skills@optimalinfographics, skills@instincthub.com. Then once you save, it will then send you an email. So let's wait for it to load. So now it's saying that you may edit the logo using the following URL. So you can copy this and edit the logo in the future. But let's go to our email to see what we have. So here's our email and here's our new logo. So just download the zip file. Let's try to open the zip file. This is it. And here we have our logo. Now you have different variation. You have PNG, You have JPEG which can be used with a white background, PNG without background. Then you have the other formats, other graphic formats, and that should be all. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time.